Pakistan reportedly has failed to act adequately enough against operations of terror groups such as the Jaish-e-Mohammed and the Lashkar-e-Taiba, and has also failed to curb terror financing. This according to a new US State Department report. Now, in its latest report on global terror, the US State Department has said that Pakistan has failed to address America's concerns on terrorism in the year 2017. Now, the report has further elaborated that the Haqqani network continues to pose a serious global threat, and groups such as the Jaish-e-Mohammed and the Lashkar-e-Taiba still find pretty good safe havens within Pakistan. The report further adds that even though Pakistan's National Action Plan calls to ensure that no armed militias are allowed to function in the country, there are several terror groups that have focused on attacks outside of the nation and have also continued to operate from Pakistani soil. Further, Pakistan's decision to release the Mumbai terror attacks mastermind Hafiz Saeed has been condemned. The report also has criticized the country's slow progress on the implementation of the UN sanctions related to anti-money laundering and terror financing.